Let's keep it going. It's still on, like Donkey Kong. Corona what? Corona who? This is week 10 of the 1L rematch for the spring 2020 semester. As you probably already know, all schools have moved to online due to the coronavirus. How is this going to work for me and how our online classes are going to work? I'm not sure yet. This past week, when this all went down, when all schools moved to online, we were on spring break. So, what my law school is doing this upcoming week, they're giving professors another week to adjust and figure out how they're going to do their online lectures and do online exams, and they want to modify their syllabuses. So, we have an extra week, like an extra week on spring break. Classes are going to resume March 30th. Again, this is like a part-time law student's dream. More time to prepare and there's more time to practice. As of now, my professors haven't emailed me yet of how they're going to do it and whatnot. But it doesn't matter. Hey, they can do this online, on Mars, on Jupiter. They want to do this outside in a thunderstorm, in a snow blizzard, in the jungle, outside on the volcano with lava coming down below the sea. It doesn't matter. We're going to find ways to masterfully adapt to these changing conditions and prevail, overcome, and dominate under these conditions. That's what it's all about in becoming an inspiring lawyer. Because think about it, the best of the best lawyers out there, whether it's on the litigation side or on the transactional side, it's not about just being smart and logical and analytical. The best of the best know how to mentally and emotionally adapt in the middle of a case or deal when changing conditions come. A lot of things are outside of a lawyer's control, especially in the courtroom. The judge, witnesses, the opposing side, so many things that we think we all got it planned out, but it doesn't go as planned. But the best of the best can adjust and adapt in the middle of that and still find holes of advantages and still find holes and ways to win in the end. So we're right in the middle right now. And it doesn't matter if it's switched up or, oh, this is so different and we can't go to class now. And, oh, we gotta. Nah. This is what we are going to get paid for. We're going to get paid for overcoming complex issues, legal issues, and personal issues of our clients. And things are not going to go our way. Things are going to be outside of our control, but they're looking to us to say, hey, what are you going to do about it? Yeah, there's adversity. Yeah, this decision went this way, but are you still going to be my lawyer? Are you still going to help me resolve this? Help me overcome this? So we got to put ourselves in that position, got to mentally simulate ourselves as if we are lawyers right here and right now and behaving like a true lawyer, not waiting until we get there, but this is the training ground, mentally and emotionally, right here and right now. But we're built for it. So let's continue to adapt. Let's continue to allow ourselves to whatever comes, embrace it, and find that greater creativity within us. We got it to figure it out, no matter what it is. I believe in you. Let's go. Like I said, this pumps me up. This is how we become relentless competitors. Doesn't matter the conditions. If the opponent wants to pick the place and the time, we go to their turf. All right, let's go. We'll go to their turf and dominate. Hey, they want to meet us in Russia? We'll go to Russia and dominate like Rocky IV, baby. So, it doesn't matter. This is what it's all about being a lawyer in general. It's not about It's all laid out pretty and it's just gonna go this way. Nah, it's messy. It's ruthless. It's dirty. It's a lot of complex stuff going on. But as aspiring lawyers, this is a great time to practice our mental emotional disposition and our behavior and how we mentally frame this moment and how we continue to empower ourselves and not be so dominated by outside appearances and what's going on. Got to stay from within ourselves and still find ways to come on top this semester. And we will do so. So this upcoming week, I'm going to be doing what I've been doing. Practicing problems for contracts 2 and property, same thing I did last week. And doing flashcards and chunking it up day by day. So I do one concept of law that I practice on and review the notes and review flashcards. So for example, contracts 2, parallel evidence. So I'll do practice problems the entire day or particular set of time within the day that I set for myself. And then the next day I'll do unconscionability, and then the next day unfairness, and so forth. And then property, same thing. One day I'll do bailments, next day I'll do gifts, next day I'll do estates and land. So just chucking it up like that and not trying to do it all in one day. But if we wait till the last minute and do this 2 weeks or a week before the exam, then yes, we got to do all this and cram it all in. But we got six more, 7, 8, maybe exams are pushed back. But we got time now to do this and to just not go ahead. Because I tell you, you're trying to read ahead and this and that, it's counterproductive. Because if we haven't understand and mastered everything that we learned thus far, it's not going to matter. So that is a trap that I've been through. It's like, oh, I'm reading ahead and thinking that, oh, I'm just reading ahead and that's doing something. No, it's all about the understanding. It's all about the application. It's about practicing the writing, typing it out if you don't want to write it hand. But reading ahead and trying to get ahead, it's not going to really matter if you don't understand it. So all the concepts build on top of each other. So let's continue to work wherever we are and go back if we need to go back and master what we need to master. Still keep that going. And in the midst of that, midst of contracts 2 and property, I had to finish my appellate brief, which is due in 2 weeks. And I want to get this done by next Sunday because our legal writing professor is going to have an online lecture and we're going to do the self-editing exercise. So I want to have at least a rough draft, and it's due on April 6th. So I got to finish out strong with this appellate brief because it's really like my final exam paper. So got to go hard, got to go strong, and I will do so. But hey, we're here, still standing, still going. Time to triple down on discipline and execution. If we're at home or at work, doing this online, it doesn't matter. Let's go. You'll find a way. You'll make a way. You got this. Let's still come out on top this semester. One day at a time, 1 week at a time. Let's go. Keep on going. Keep on rolling. Stay relentless. See you next week for more updates.